be using Kemper Solutions multi-surface machine. We're going to clean this area rug this morning. We're going to vacuum off, sweep off some pet hair with the new Grand Reaper. This is an excellent tool. It's a great broom. It's a squeegee, very multi-use, but it's phenomenal on pet hair from rugs. You can pick up all kinds of pet hair and debris from the rugs if it's severe. And then we're going to go into, you can see the hair we picked up. We're going to move into vacuuming with our multi-surface machine, basically locking on these vacuum chambers. If you do have any, basically just a quick press and slide. Now you can see we've got front and back chamber. And now we're going to start the vacuum process. Pretty quiet machine. This is the best part. Instant gratification on this one to see all the, if you can see all that heavy dog hair, fuzz, all that stuff. That's just incredible what you can get out of there. So once we vacuum it off, we're going to then move into our pre-spray. Take off our vacuum chambers. Again, just a simple pull and slide. And these things are just filled with pet hair. We'll put our wheels back on just for easy transportation. Slide it back out of the way. Get our pre-spray. Pre-spray our carpet, or a rug in this case. Get our section. You don't have to saturate a lot, just get a good, if there's stains, you want to spend some extra time with the stains. We're going to let that sit a minute, give it some time to dwell into the carpet, and then we're going to get our Kemper Solutions multi-surface machine kind of agitated in there and make sure the chemical's in all the fibers. By doing this, kind of crisscross, east, west, north, south motions. Really working the pre-spray in. Great thing about this machine is it's going into the carpet, lifting up any debris, really scrubbing. The chemical deodorizes with the ingredients. Another benefit, it's a nice low moisture, so this is going to dry very quickly. And then our last phase in this step is to do the drying compound. And basically the compound worked into the carpet is going to lift up all the moisture It just helps get the carpet drier that much quicker. After we do this phase or step, we're going to put our vacuum chambers back on and vacuum this up. As well as lift up the chemicals, pull them up from the carpet as well. They're going to absorb into the drying compound. Again, just work it back and forth. Machine's easy to maneuver, very similar like a hovercraft. As you can see, we're vacuuming all the compound up, lifting up the moisture, the chemical, and any other dirt and debris on the surface. That's it in a nutshell. Excellent machine, light, compact, very maneuverable. Compound actually has a nice fragrance in it as well. And you can see everything we're pulling up. The carpet smells fresh and it's dry. Contact Kemper Solutions today. Learn more about this program. 251-680-1804. Thank you.